Getting that annoying red cross error in IDM? Don't worry, fix it in under 2 minutes. Watch till the end and you'll never see that error again. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right. Go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. This is where the fix begins. Find the IDM integration module and toggle the Switch OFF to disable it temporarily. Keep watching, I'll show you why this matters. Now go to your Windows taskbar bottom right system tray. Right-click the IDM icon and select Exit. This ensures IDM is fully closed. Don't skip this step, most people do, and that's why the error comes back. Search for IDM in your Start menu and open it. Go to the Options tab. Stay under the General section and click the Restart button next to Browser Integration Settings. This restarts the connection without reinstalling anything. Go back to the Chrome Manage Extensions page and toggle the IDM integration. Module back on. That's it, the red cross error will now be fixed. Hit like if this worked for you, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.